In this video, I'll show you how you can recover your photos from Google Photos and when you already deleted them on the trash. First thing, we are going to go to our settings on the cell phone and we press in Google and press in manage your account. And we are going to go to where it says data and privacy. We're going to go to where it says download and delete. History, settings, info, location, payment methods. Okay, download your data. Next, you will select the data that interested you because there is a lot of data, password, photos, videos below. Once you finish the form, or you select art on select, we can see drive, finance, page, etc. And the next, press next, and once it arrives in your email, that will be all. You will have a week to download this file. And this is all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe or share it for your friends.